What's up, y'all? So welcome back to another video, and today, as you can tell, the intro is a little bit different than usual. It's purely because the other day when I was filming for you guys, it was so noisy at the car park you would not be able to hear a thing. So here I am just wanting to say hi and just want to invite you to watch this video, but just a heads up, it's a little bit messy. By messy, I mean there was just so much footage that I gathered that was extremely hard to edit bits and pieces that I wanted to put in the video. And we didn't do too much talking. So there's more of like a pure edit. And I hope you guys don't mind it. But yeah, I promise you guys that I will try to be better next time with that. But yeah, I hope you guys will still enjoy this video. And let's just get straight into it. So yeah, let me just quickly show you why I need to change my front tires. If you have a close look, like they're all damaged. So not too sure what is that. It might be wheel alignment. That's not really the best at the moment. I haven't done wheel alignment for a long time. Or it might possibly rub somewhere here on the sides as well, maybe when I drift. Not too sure what the reason is, but once we put my 350Z on a hoist, we will have a look and see, because possibly it might be also the angle kit. We just won't know until the 350Z is on a hoist. So without any further ado, I will just go ahead and get my day started, and I will take you guys along with me, so hopefully you will enjoy the rest of the clips. Oh, and I also forgot, we need to clean her. So that's the first step. She's very, very dirty, as you can tell. So the first step will be to go and get her a nice good clean. I didn't get any footage from me washing the car because I was just running out of time, but she's so clean now. Look at her. Well, she still needs to be clean on the inside, but yeah, the outside looks pretty good. Let me just go around and show you again that damage from running the fence. So unfortunately there is a little bit of damage on the bumper, which is not the best, but then mufflers, maybe we will be able to do mufflers today as well. We'll see. Yeah, there's a little bit here that also needs to be done, but obviously that's not going to be done today. But yeah, it doesn't look, it looks bad, but it doesn't look as bad as it could. So yeah, but she's all clean and ready to change tires.
Alright, let's try to plug this in. Let's see if it can move.
I can't believe we actually made it work.
Well, I knew it was going to work eventually. It was going to get it. I was actually a bit worried at the point before when it wasn't working. I was like, fuck, what have I done?
Yeah. Why wasn't it working before?
Oh, because there's a plug right there. You got to plug the plug in to make it work.
Right.
unfortunately.
Yeah.
So we took the factory leather seat off, kept all the electric seat functions, and we put this OMP RTS X on it.
I'm so happy with it. We just literally cut the whole pedal off, and now we're gonna try to make a longer one. So this way I don't have to move this seat too much. Guys, so it's day 2. Unfortunately, we didn't accomplish a lot of things on day 1 because putting electric seat together took a little bit of time, and then we also had to make sure that I have the clutch pedal extension. So all the little bits and pieces to make everything looks really good and, you know, just as I needed. It took a long time. So today it's the second day and we'll be installing the hydro brake. Yeah, I have a list of things to do with the car, but it just all depends on the amount of time we actually will have to make things happen and prioritize things as well. But yeah, on my list I need to do some sprayers for the fans as well, because the last event that I did, my car was running ridiculously hot. So I would do 1 lap and then I had to like wait 5 minutes. So hopefully we can get that done as well. And then I need to change the oil before starting new season as well. I'm trying to change the oil regularly, like every 2 or 3 events, but I don't think I've done an oil change in the last 3 events, so it's definitely due. I'm gonna do that, and yeah, there's a few other little bits and pieces, but we'll see what's gonna happen once I get to the workshop. I can't believe how dirty she is after Collie.
We needed like another meter of this hose, because then I could have done 1, 2, I could have done 2 on this side and 2 on this side, but we don't quite have enough length. So these can just go straight onto the end. And then okay, cool, so I can actually drill a hole in here. Kind of want to put them down like that. We're just going to get access to the back section. We can put that there, so we can spray them down, and that'll spray water down, and then obviously the air will push it into your radiator. But if you wanted to, you've got 2 more. Later on, you could drill a hole like back here and put 2 more in. I just think to get to it, you probably have to pull your bumper off. But these will probably help.
Yeah. I never take doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain. Ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins. Got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah. I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless. No promotion, still progressing, overdosing on these lessons. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten. Feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session. But I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed, on this grind you always stress. So I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best.
I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Unfortunately the camera died, so I didn't end up filming everything that we did that night. We were working till very late. I think we finished about 11 o'clock at night, and we still couldn't finish the hydro brake setup. It's purely because we mounted it the wrong way, so then we had to come up with a new way to mount it, and needed to do it fast. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't get the footage of that, but I will keep you guys posted with what's been happening with the hydro brake since then. I've done my event, and yeah, I don't think the placement is really good. So I got brand new console for 350Z, and I will probably redo the placement of the whole hydro brake. And like I said, I will keep you guys posted how that goes, and I will show you guys progress in the next video. So yeah, until then, stay safe.
I'm low key like the Mo G. I'm low key like the Mo G. I'm low key like the